Jagarodi, Jagaban, Jagaban, Jagaban. Yo, Jagaban, Jagaban. Baba for Baje, wetin happen gangan? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Wetin happen, Baba for Baje? No be freedom of speech we have in Nigeria. We have freedom of speech now. Ẹ̀yin lẹ rúfin now. Lórí 1999 constitution yìí tẹ́ ní Nigeria. Freedom of speech ni bá ti sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí now. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ẹ ti sáré lọ́rẹ́ kan lẹ́tà pé kan Sanction àwọn TV channel television. Kí ló dé? Freedom of speech ni. Ó dé wà nínú 1999 constitution yẹn section 39 to 40. Freedom of speech. Eléyìí ò kì í ṣe threat. Eléyìí tí Sanwó-Olú wá ń ṣe, eléyìí tí MC Olúọmọ ń ṣe lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nígbà ìdìbò ńkọ́. Tó ń threat àwọn èèyàn pẹ́ni tí ò bá dìbò fún yín wọn gbúdọ̀ jáde. Is it not the threat? Tí wọ́n lu àwọn èèyàn tó níbi tó tún ti dìbò lọ́wọ́ wọn tó máa sọ fáwọn èèyàn pẹ́ni tí ò bá ti dìbò fún Tinubu, tí ò dìbò fún APC bí kó máa lọlé, wọ́n lu àwọn èèyàn, wọ́n bá àwọn èèyàn, wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn, wọ́n ṣèjàmbá fáwọn èèyàn. Is it not the threat? Is it not the threat? Wetin happen gangan? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà? Lórí pé èèyàn sọ pé tán bá ṣe swearing fún yín pé máa the end of the democracy, ìwọ ni kò ṣiṣẹ́ dáadáa tó bá fẹ́ di president. Freedom of speech ni. Ó sọ ni is not a threat. Ó sọ tiẹ̀ ni. Pé tó bá jẹ́ end of the, because everybody ló mọ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. The whole wide world ló mọ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ìbò tó lọ. Jagaban gbogbo ayé ló mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ìbò tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹni tá a bá dènà lára ń ta. Tó bá jẹ́wọ́ náà ni wọ́n bá jẹ́ pé òbí náà gbébò fún. I know you prepare yourself. Tí wọ́n bá announce here, you know what you will do. And we all know what you will do. Everybody know what you will do for us. We all know. Oh, tí wọlé go tí ń threat. Tẹ́ bá wá dépò nǹkan àwọn èèyàn nílẹ̀ ní freedom of speech mọ́. Kí wá ní kí wọ́n ṣe fún Buhari? Àpè lókù, àpè ní ghost, àpè lórí sí níbi pa àmọ̀ pé ó ti kú already. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Wọ́n ní kán lọ gbé wa pa náà. Kí ni kí wọ́n ṣe fún àwọn ọba gangan tó jẹ́ ọba ìlú? Oríṣiríṣi ni wọ́n ṣe fáwọn ọba. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan? Kí ni kán ṣe fún Donald Trump gan? Ó mójú tí Donald Trump rí ni. Joe Biden ojú ẹ̀ rí máa bò. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Wọ́n ti gbá Prime Minister France ní etí. Wọ́n kó ìgbátí fún. Àti pé tó bá jẹ́wọ́ wà ní kán lọ gẹ́rì bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn dànù ni. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Publicly náà ti kó ìgbátí fún France. Náà ti kó ìgbátí fún Prime Minister. Prime Minister France létí. Olórí France ni. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kan lọ Sanction channel television kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kí ló dé gangan.
This is already decided by the courts.
But the authority in charge of the election gave a declaration.
Sherwin, if you are afraid for some things, don't ask for them.
I am not afraid. I will, I will as a citizen of the country, by the ethics and the guidelines of my profession, live by it.
Yes.
What is lawful? And I hope that you're a lawful citizen of the country. And so whatever the stipulation of the law guides, if you are aggrieved about something, you go to the court to seek redress, isn't it?
This document is a product of the legal system. It has been signed into law by the President, Commander-in-Chief, Federal Republic of Nigeria. I believe in this document. That is why I'm so lawful. That is why I'm so confident. And that is why however extreme it is, Sheung, I am saying it on national TV. I don't like to take risks. I'm not taking any risks. Swearing in a ticket that has not met the constitutional requirements of the Constitution, okay, is ending democracy. Quote me on it.
That's your interpretation.
That is my interpretation, and that is indeed a correct interpretation. You cannot swear people who have not met the constitutional requirement. You can't do that. If you did it, you have done something unlawful, something unconstitutional. And I'm repeating it. Whoever does not meet the constitutional requirement must never be sworn in. You said my name. If you like, I can say it again. I'm Dr. Baba Ahmed. I'm not taking risks with my safety and with my life. But I'm repeating, swear in anybody who does not meet the constitutional requirements of our country. You are engaging in an unconstitutional act. Mr. President, do not hold that inauguration. CJ and your lordship, do not partake in unconstitutionality. I am taking these risks for the sake of my country. Yes, it is extreme, and I'm saying it. It was more extreme for Yakubu to issue that certificate. It was reckless. That was.
The President-elect, Bola Tinubu, has written to the National Broadcasting Commission demanding immediate sanction of Channels Television, accusing it of breaching the Nigerian Broadcasting Code. Tinubu said the television outfit broke Section 1401 of the Nigerian Broadcasting Code, 6th edition, during an interview with Dati Baba Ahmed, the vice presidential candidate of the Labour Party. Baba Ahmed is said to have made several inciting comments disputing the integrity of the 25 February presidential election in the country. In the interview, Baba Ahmed faulted the emergence of the former Lagos governor as the president-elect and requested the Chief Justice of Nigeria and President Muhammadu Buhari not to swear him in. In his petition, Tinubu noted that the host of the show should have cautioned Dati for making such unguarded comments, and for failing to do so, the station should be sanctioned. In another case, the All Progressives Congress called on the Department of State Services to invite Dati for further clarification on his assertion on the swearing-in of Bola Tinubu come May 29. The chairman of APC in Cross River State, Alphonsus Eba, ESQ, made the call on Thursday in Calabar while interacting with journalists. He added that Dati Ahmed should not be arrested, but invited to give better clarification about his call on the CGN not to swear in APC president-elect. Recalling that the Labour Party vice presidential candidate at on national television on 22nd March 2023 said that swearing in President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu would be tantamount to inviting the military to take over the affairs of